South African lover in the foreign lands, currently residing in the US. Come join me. On this video, we'll be unboxing the FOXYBAE mini travel kit. It has the mini hair dryer, flat iron, and a curling wand. Let's get into it. So I ordered this kit from FOXYBAE.com and had a promo code that got me 60% off discount. The kit regular price is $119, but I got it for $49 with promo code. Talk about a stylish bargain. I have included the website and the promo code down below in the description box. First thing, let's look at the mini hair dryer. Folds up nicely, has beautiful white marble design and touches of rose gold, feels nice to the touch. It has 3 settings, cool and 2 beat speeds. Next, we have the mini curling wand. It's 19mm in length and 10mm in diameter for those nice tight curls. Next, we got the mini flat iron. Has rose gold ceramic plates, grips on the top and bottom, a fixed temperature on and off button, and a swivel cord for easy styling. An instructions product info sheet is included. Useful info if you are traveling and have to get an international plug. Last but not least, the white marble leather carrying bag. Has detachable dividers to keep things organized, and in future I can use this bag for other things like makeup if I want to, or just general stuff. It has an inner support material to keep the bag in shape and protect your hair tools. Honest impression on this product, super hard face emoji, love it. I can't wait for the world to open up and go on with me the liker of things. Mathanda izinto hayi ngoba zingizithanda yizithanda mina. I was super excited to get this package, although it took a whole month waiting for it because it's on popular demand. Currently it's on back order, but you can order it and will start shipping towards the end of the month. The wait was long, but worth it. I love this kit. And some of you guys may see that some details on the product are a little different from the pictures. It got upgraded, so you're more likely to get the same one that I have. This has been one of my best purchases since I got here. So be a lover. Subscribe for more videos like this and more. Like, comment, share with your friends and family. Cheers!